Today I'm going to wash my friend's car with the Autoglym Polar Series, including the all-new Polar Blaster. Let's get to work.
All the pics and videos of snow-like car washing on social media had me wanting to try the Autoglym Polar Blaster. To do so, it meant swapping from old-school hand and bucket washing to pressure washing. I asked Dave from Autoglym to train me up on how to do it properly, and to show me what made the Autoglym Polar Series, and in particular the Polar Blaster, so special. First off, it's the Polar Blast Foaming Pre-Wash. This replaces the old way of starting a car wash by rinsing the car with a hose. I loaded up the Polar Blaster with 1 part Polar Blast to 5 parts water, remembering to add the water first so I didn't get foam everywhere. The dilution rates for all the products are stated clearly on the Polar Blaster, which makes it easy. Lid locked on, and then quickly snap the Polar Blaster to your pressure washer. The quick release function allows the Polar Blaster to swivel and find its level for ease of application and maintaining consistent coverage at any angle. To spray, you stand no more than 1 meter away and start applying the foam from top to bottom, including wheels and tires, using a straight, smooth, consistent motion to ensure even coverage. You feel like you're painting the car with foam and soft marshmallow. Once covered, you leave Polar Blast on for up to 10 minutes, so the globs of marshmallow can do their work, lifting all the loose dirt away. When it's time to rinse, you start from the bottom and work your way to the top of the car. Really? Bottom to top? Yes, that took me a bit to get used to as well. When it comes to pressure washing, bottom to top first helps to further loosen any leftover grime as you shoot the product back over itself, and it helps reduce the chance of causing water stripes from the shampoo formula running slowly down panels and windows. Then you do one more final rinse from top to bottom until the Polar Blast is rinsed away. Give the Polar Blaster a rinse out. Then it's time to load it with a mix of 1 part water to 1 part Polar Wash shampoo. The Polar Blaster has a wide neck, so it's really easy to fill. Fill a bucket with fresh water and have it and a quality wash mitt or soft sponge ready. Applying it is just the same as what we've done with Polar Blast. We start applying the foam from top to bottom using a straight, smooth, consistent motion to ensure even coverage. Then there is no need to leave it to sit. You jump straight in with your wash mitt to agitate the surface. Do one section at a time, rinsing the middle sponge between each section to further reduce any chance of scratches once the entire car is done. Do all 4 wheels at once and rinse the mitt between each wheel. Then rinse just like before from bottom to top, and then finally from top to bottom.
The final step is Polar Seal, which is a coating that makes it easier to dry, easier to wash the car next time, and easier to keep it clean between washes as it resists dirt.
Rinse your Polar Blaster out and add 4 capfuls of Polar Seal to the water, applying the Polar Seal to the entire surface of the car, but not directly on the windshield. The Polar Seal will react by forming milky beads. Leave them on for a minute and then start rinsing the car. This time when you rinse, it's from top to bottom, just like you're normally used to. Once it's all rinsed off, grab a quality drying towel and dry all the surfaces of the car. The drying cloth will glide over easily, and all that's left behind is a silky, smooth, glossy finish.
I'm done. What do you think? Oh la la, beautiful. I hope my friend is happy. Really enjoyed using the Polar Blaster. Hadn't done it before. A little bit different to how you normally wash a car, but look at the result. Autoglym Polar Series, absolutely love it. Let me know what you think.